In this video, we will learn about Java dependency management with Maven and also how to install Maven on a Windows system. Maven is a powerful build automation tool as you develop application in Java that require Java API that extends the functionality of the language. You might have the need to import libraries such as with the .jar extension developed by third parties. Maven make it easy to work with dependency that your project requires. Maven is based on a project object model POM, which allows the dependency to be declared to be standardized the construction and packaging of Java projects. The Maven use this as a configuration file and it is named as pom.xml. This POM file have three sections and it contains group ID, which identifies the groups to which the project belongs. ID specifies the project name, and packaging is for the package type to be produced by Maven, such as jar or war file. First, we are going to visit the official website of Maven, and from there, we are going to download it and then decompress it, and we need to add it to our environment variable of our operating system. Let's first download Maven by going to Maven's official website. Now we can visit this Apache Maven website over here, and on this side you can see link to download. We need to click on this download link. On this download page you can select the file you want to download. I want it for Windows system, so I will go with the zip file over here and just click on this. And you can see the download is started. Once the download is complete, we need to unzip the distribution to our local directory on our system. We can go to our download folder and see over there the downloaded file. We just need to uncompress it. I will click on extract all and it will ask for the folder where you want it to be extracted. I'm going to create another folder here to make things easy. I will on my computer go to C drive, create a new folder and name it tools, and inside tool, uh, inside tools, I'm just going to select this one and that file will be extracted over here in this directory, and just click on extract. And you can see over here we have this Maven directory extracted over to our tools folder. I will rename this folder to or directory to just a Maven to make it more simple. Simple name. I'm just gonna click on rename. Need to go back to that directory. I will just rename it to Maven. Inside Maven, you can see this bin directory. This bin folder contains platform-specific Maven executables. Now our next step is to add the Maven executables to the path environment. So we can run Maven commands from the command line. Now on our system, we can search for system. Over here, click on start and search for system, or on new operating system you can search for environment variable. I'm just gonna click over here under control panel on the system. And then you can go to this advanced system setting and click on it. And then you need to click on this environment variable. And you need to look for path variable. You can see over here, or you can just scroll down more, and you need to add this one. Select this one, the path variable, and click at it. And off at the end of the values you already have, just add a semicolon, and then you need to get the path up to the bin folder of our Maven. So I'm just gonna go inside bin folder and copy this whole path up to bin folder and add to our path variables value just over here and click OK, and then OK, and OK again. And now we can open a command prompt in the DOS window and check if the Maven environment is set. To test and verify the installation, we need to open a command prompt and run mvn for the Maven command with the -v option. We can go again to our start button and type cmd. This will open up our command prompt, and we can type on the command prompt mvn and then space and then -v for the version. You can see it printed the Maven version over here, and so our path is set for the Maven on our system. So this way you can download and install Maven on your Windows operating system. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.